Now let's do the showcase, man. We finna show y'all without further ado. Here it go. What up, Mula gang? It's your boy Mac Mula, aka Mr. Mula Mac. First of all, since I don't really showcase the drip on this car channel, showcase the drip. Serious, homie. Today, this video, y'all seen what it say, man. I'm doing a car wrap reveal. Y'all know I copped that C8 for my birthday, my 24th birthday. You feel me? Get up off me. You know what I'm saying? Nah, for real though. I copped that C8 for the my 24th birthday, and it was white. You know what I'm saying? It was stock white. It was cool. It was regular. It was nice, but it wasn't what I wanted. It wasn't what I needed. I had to have something different. Now, before I showcase this wrap, shout out to Up Next Auto Designs out here in LA. Pretty sure it's like East LA, right? When you get to like East LA, they did a real good job on the wrap, man. I'm talking about they took their time, they did it the right way, you know what I'm saying? And I couldn't have asked for it to be any wrong on phone grade. I know it's real hard to wrap cars like this, but they did their thing. I ain't got no complaint. They took everything apart and put it back together the right way on phone grade, and I can't get mad at that, folks. You know what I'm saying? Details of the drip real quick. Got that Rocheza hoodie on, you know what I'm saying? Got the, come on, man, I do my Thug Deezy all the time. And I got the the suede Air Force Ones customs, you know what I'm saying? And this actually gonna be my shoe brand, so y'all stay on the lookout for that, you know what I'm saying? Guap Boy Kicks, we doing it big all the time. You know what I'm saying? Now let's do the showcase, man. We finna show y'all without further ado. Here it go.
I'm on the grind, I ain't been home. She don't understand, she think I'm wrong. I got too much on my mind, she think I'm stoned. I got too many rats, she think I'm on. I got too many rats inside my home. On the greatest, I was automatic, but I made it.
Alright, so man, look, I went ahead and went with like this bronze, like almost like a penny on phone grade, like a copper, like a rose gold, you feel me? I'm gonna call it rose gold because I rose gold, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, imagine my Cartier, imagine my Rollie that I got upstairs, you know what I'm saying? The two-tone, yeah, it's just hard, folks. Like, let's go ahead and look at the whole wrap, like, it's just hard, bro. You know what I'm saying? It kind of got like a pearlescent to it, almost a little bit, like a little white glow to it. It's like the perfect chrome, the perfect bronze, popped out a little bit. Sometimes it even like, at a glance, might even look like a different color for a second. But they smoked the job on this, like I said. Big shout out to Up Next Auto Designs. Pretty sure I'm saying the name right, but I will have the information on the screen. But yeah, like the black accents, you know what I'm saying? The black accents on the mirror, the black rims, the black spoiler is what really do it for real. The black handles, still got the black handles, the black spoiler, you feel me? The black on the back panel, black Stingray logo, like this shit really hard for real, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, they smoked the job on this bitch. Like I said, come over to the door real quick, you will see, the only part that's still white is like the inside, which obviously it ain't really to do with that for real. But other than that, everything else, like the bottom, everything else, I'm talking about like even this little line right here, you feel me? Like even they went up this little line right here so you couldn't see when the doors closed. It's super hard. So yeah, like I said, they took their time with it. It took like maybe like about 2 weeks, a little under 2 weeks, probably a week and a half after the actual wrap came in. But yeah, like I said, they did a great job on this motherfucker. It looks super raw. I mean, I had it for about a few weeks before showing y'all. But I just didn't want to show y'all. Honestly, I wanted to keep the wrap to myself. I wanted nobody to know, you feel me? Like nobody in the earth to know who car this was, you feel me? For a little minute before I just popped out with it. But you know, now I'm finna kind of put it up for a little minute, you know what I'm saying? I've been having a little too much fun with my baby. First of all, man, definitely super blessed, you know what I'm saying? Definitely super happy about it. And I'm really, this shit got me in the cars for real, you know what I'm saying? So I think I'm gonna keep this car for a while. It's 2023, so it's still in the same year it was manufactured. I got it at the end of last year. So yeah, I'm probably gonna keep it for probably about another year. Probably gonna get a scat pack maybe this summertime. Maybe trade my Benz truck in for an AMG or that super fast X6, X5, the BMW, the M50i, some shit like that. The competition version, might get that truck, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna see, man. Y'all just stay tuned for some hot shit. I'm finna be going to car meets. The only reason I ain't really been going cause it's cold as hell in LA. Like, it's not cold to me, but it's cold for too cold for what the fuck I signed up for. I signed up for warm weather. You hear me? So yeah, that's all, man. But yeah, that's all, man. Hope y'all appreciate it. Hope y'all like the rap. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man, on Bro Grade. Cause I wanna know what y'all think. Is it raw? Is it weak? Is it trash? Is it fire? You feel me? Let me know. You know what I'm saying? And if you see me out in traffic, don't walk up on me cause I got that thing on me. Bye bye. What's up, squad? What up, Mula gang? So, man, hey, this the first POV since the new rap. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I got that Saint Laurent on, as y'all seen. I got my Cartier. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see how this match? This looks so pretty, don't it? See the rose gold with the rose gold and the white gold with the white gold. And yeah, got the purple Saint Laurent sweater on with the Jordan 5s. You know what I'm saying? These are the new joints. I'm pretty sure they just came out not too long ago. But yeah, we on the way back to the crib right now. Just a LA City POV. I ain't tapped in with y'all in a minute, you feel me? I know y'all miss these POVs because I miss doing them. So yeah, we gonna get right back in action like ain't nothing happened. Like right back capping. You know what I'm saying? No capping in my rapping. Always snapping, never lacking. And that's just how it's going. Let me turn the AC on since I got the windows up. It's a pretty decent day. It's been cold as hell in LA. Well, it ain't been cold, but it's been too cold for what the I signed up for. You hear me? Like 50s and 40s and even like high 30s. I didn't sign up for that. I signed up for 60, 70, 80, 90 sometime. You feel me? So yeah, I'm just happy that it's getting warmer now, and we can whip this young thing around with that new rap. With that new rap. Oh, he going that way. Okay, I'm gonna skirt in front of this truck, this slow ass truck, son. Truck going slow to hell. God damn, truck. They need their own street, man. Should have to goddamn stay behind them, going 2 miles an hour because they this big ass truck. Anyhow, how y'all been, man? Let me know what y'all been on, man. On Fun I'm Great. I hope y'all been decent. I've been figuring life out, figuring business out, grinding, doing my Thug Deezy. This GoPro been giving me problems too. This ain't the first time I tried to record a POV for y'all, man. But this GoPro been giving me problems like a mama. That shit say SoCal gas. Don't never go to that get no gas. Don't ever in your life go to no place called SoCal gas. If you ain't never heard of that gas, don't get that gas. You hear me? Just like the Thonky on Funnel Grade. You ain't never heard of that Thonky. Don't smoke that Thonky, for you don't know what that's finna do to you, shorty. You better read about it. On phone now. I don't know about y'all. I ain't just smoking no strains on bro. Nigga, I'm looking it up. You feel me? What does it do? You feel me? I'm not doing that. Before I start drinking Patron, what does Patron do? What does Patron make you feel like? Fuck are you talking about? Skirt, watch this. Blow that red light like that. They ain't never seen it. They ain't never seen it. Blow that red light. Look left, look right. Don't see no police. I like doing that sometimes because even if they got a camera, ain't no license plate in the front. You know what I'm saying? So we ain't got to worry about that. Riding through the city though, it's rolling loud this weekend. So I'm probably gonna really be in the crib. You know, when tourists get to LA, they niggas act stupid. Plus, I just don't want to be. I just got shit to do in the house, so I'm just gonna be in the house. Y'all see these tents right there? This would be going on in LA. This how LA look for real. Like y'all see how it's just right here, right on the street next to the Wendy's, and ain't nobody really like telling them to go nowhere, cause there ain't nowhere for their ass to go. It's too many of them. They be doing that shit all day. But yeah, it's rolling loud this weekend. Right there, I think it's right there on Hollywood Boulevard. I think, or it's in Inglewood. One of the two. I think I don't know. I heard some different shit. But yeah. So I'm gonna have my ass in the crib. It's crazy. I rode down. I was on Rodeo earlier. And I rode down Rodeo. I checked my phone as soon as I ride down Rodeo. You know, I posted a picture with the rap, like I revealed the rap and shit on Instagram. I ride down Rodeo, and a nigga comment on the picture that I posted. And he was like, I just seen you riding down Rodeo. Then I looked, when I was riding down Rodeo, I pull up, I see 2 white girls looking at me like I'm goddamn Michael Jackson. I waved at them. They almost lost their mind. You hear me? I think the rap, I don't know what this rap got superpowers in it. I don't know. Like, when I tell y'all, since I posted this car rap on my Instagram, bro, my pussy rate done went higher than it already was, bro. Like, I promise to God, bro. Like, I swear. Like, girls been going, just texting me saying wild shit. I got model girls in my talking about they nigga. I don't even want to say. It's a model girl on my Instagram DM. She DM me some freaky shit. I DM her back. She said, "Oh yeah, I eat dick. Don't worry about that." I said, "Whoa, we going like that though?" I ain't used to model girls talking to me like that. You know, usually them be the ugly bow wops. Them be the bow wops. For them the booger wolves. Usually them be the booger wolves talking like that. But no, it's a fine one. A little model, and she from, I can't even tell y'all where she from because y'all can figure it out. But she from an island. You know what I'm saying?